Have you ever put on a serum and then you put on another product and it just balls up and rolls off your face? That's called pilling, and it happens because the two products you're using don't play well together. And this can happen if you put an oil on top of a gel. But the main culprit for pilling is silicones. So this can make your expensive serums and moisturizers slide off your face. It can make your makeup break up or roll off your face as well. They're not really very good for you. It's a synthetic polymer that I guess it must be pretty inexpensive, and a lot of cosmetic companies use it for moisturizers and makeup. And it helps products to spread, but it's really not good for your skin because it sits on top of your skin and creates a barrier. It traps in dirt and oil, and it prevents your skin from breathing or taking moisture from the air. So I try to avoid this in all of my products, which is really hard to do because so many companies use them. If you look at the ingredients, silicones have the word cone at the end of them. Most of them do anyway. I stick with products by Dr. Hauschka or Eminence Organics. For sunscreens, I use a mineral sunscreen by Avene. I also don't use silicones in my hair products because I found that they are very drying because they trap moisture out. So think about that. If you're having that problem, it's not the one product causing the pilling, it's the combination of your products. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.